It's a 2016 Ram 2500. The 2500 graduates from a boot camp that few trucks can handle, giving you the power, comfort, and safety you need every day. This Ram's engine is built to handle the tough jobs, from heavy cargo in the bed to the hitched trailer. The 2500 gives you the extra punch you need. Tailor the comfortable cabin to your needs with the tilt steering column and media hub with audio input jack, allowing you to customize your tunes for the trip. Plus, Ram has been put to the test long before the first journey, with over 40,000 hours of extreme challenges to give you confidence hauling the big loads. Made to work hard, period. This Ram 2500 is ready for a test drive today.
You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.